model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 292.0 Tdci starts runs needs turbo repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 139,235. MOT, the 21st of November 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Tdci 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine, clutch and gearbox are fine. Straightforward turbo replacement job, absolute bargain with no VAT to pay. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very